Hi guys and welcome back to a new video. So in today's video we're going to make this the world's fastest RC bike. Now I know it sounds nuts and it might not be doable, but I'm going to give it my best shot. So what we've got in this is a 4S Surpass Hobby brushless system, and oh my god, it's so overpowered. We put this on 3S one time, me and my mate Miles, and oh, the wheel nearly came off the bloody rim. So we're going to have to glue that. But I need to change the connectors, I need to do some stuff to it, I need to make sure it works right, and this should just be so funny to watch. Especially, I mean, I can just imagine it now, sitting at full speed up skateboard ramps and seeing it absolutely smashed to bits. Although these actually seem pretty strong. So first of all, I'm just going to solder some connections on. The connectors that I'm going to use are these XT60s. I mean, they handle the power well, and they're quite small. At the moment, there's an XT90 in there. And the batteries that I have, shout out to Fergs RCs, a little icon will pop up on the screen now, and his channel will be there. He gave me these batteries absolutely ages ago, and they look like they'll fit in there, and they're 3S. So to get these connectors on, I'm going to have to take this wheel off, unclip that zip tie, then pull the AC out, put the connectors on, hot glue it in, because at the moment it's just a bit loose in there, and yeah, I don't want it to be like that when I'm sending it to space. So I've got the bike here, and one thing I want to check is if I can put oil in these shocks. As you can see, they stick, and the real ones, they're really nice. So we've got the wheel off. Just looking at these shocks here, yeah, they got springs in them, so I'm pretty sure they can't be oil filled. Zip this tie, yes. So we can see here, there's like this battery tray is holding by one clip. Just pull that out. How does this come off? Oh, there you go. So I can see now if this battery will fit, which I'm hoping so. It's relatively low profile. Oh yes. Oh wow, that is a nice fit. I might have to put like a plastic plate here so the battery can't be punctured, because you can see there's lots of holes there. So I just try to put this normal 1/10 scale pin, and it does not go in there. So I'm going to have to get a drill and drill that hole out and make it a bit bigger. Forgot I need to get access to the receiver, so I need to take these two screws off, and then this whole body just comes off. The screw is tight. Hopefully this body will just slide off. So I've actually got a Maverick receiver and radio in this because they work pretty well, and the stock one was a very old style, so... oh god. Which one's ESC? Oh, I think it's this one. I think it's this one. Just unplug that. Yeah, it's that one because it's second channel. Right, hopefully this will slide out. Right, there we go. So I managed to pull the motor wires out. I'm not sure why they were so stuck. And should just come off like that. So I got the AC out. So I get my soldering box. Oh, it's not coming loose. How's it stuck? How's this box stuck? So we got this. So it's pretty good. You get solder, you get soldering iron stand, you get the foam, you get solder extractor thing, and yeah, it's pretty good. I recommend it. £16. If I remember, I'll put the link below. Adding more water onto my foam. We're gonna make a mess. That did alright. So I'm just gonna cut these connectors off. So guys, as you can see, I managed to get the ESC in. Now I won't be able to hot glue the ESC actually in, but I can try hot glue the sides, because there is no room to lift it up at all. It's quite a tight fit. I got a bit angry. I tried to get it all in. I might be able to test it now. Oh, it goes. It drives forward as well, which is good. That is a 9 beep though. So steering works. Does it have reverse now? Oh, whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's faster in reverse. So, yeah, it's faster in reverse. That means we're going to have to change it. But that, wow guys, did you see the speed of that? The wheel's definitely going to come off the rim there. Like, it's so much faster than when it will stop. So I'm going to have to pull this ESC out. Change the wires around, just change 2 wires. Right, just swap the motor wires around, which was a bit of a pain, but anyway, we've done it. Turn that on. What do you mean? It's a bit confusing. This is a bit confusing. I'll try to sort this out. Right guys, I've sorted that issue out now. As a test, I full throttled it and see how far these would expand, and yeah, they definitely need gluing. They expand so much. So guys, you might be able to see in there somewhere. Just, I'll put an arrow where it is, but I'll put some hot glue, and it is staying in a bit. This project looked like it's actually going to work. I'm going to see if these shocks can be refillable, but I really don't think they can be. So I've glued it all in now. I just need to put the zip tie across. I did check these shocks. No, you cannot oil fill them, which is kind of sad. Now I'm just focusing on putting the body on. There's like a hole somewhere. This is one hole, hard hole to find. Where even is this hole? Try screw this on. God, this is hard. Please just go in. Oh yes, yes, yes. Now I must say this bike is actually relatively easily to work on. It's pretty well engineered, I'd say, this bike. They seem very strong. I've seen a lot of videos of them being jumped, and they do take it. Right, now what I have to do, I need to get some skizzers and measure the height of this, and then snip that end off. Whee! There we go. It's not poking at the top. There you go. See if this antenna cut will go on. Wow. Good fit there. That's perfect height and everything. So I've got the zip tie fed through here, and it's not even long enough. Crap. So I'm just going to have to hope that hot glue stays in there for now. Now, I needed to make these holes a tad bigger, so hopefully I have a drill bit for that. So I've got this drill. It's the only drill that I have. The only drill bit that I can find. That was pretty much the right size for what I need. So guys, I drilled some holes, but they won't go in. The pin still won't go in. So I'm going to have to get soldering iron and melt down these body posts. Right guys, so it's another day, because basically I ran out of film, and it was very late, and I think it was like 2 o'clock in the morning. So, yeah. So, oh, I got a bit of lager, like, whatever it is, copper bit. So, last night, I think I was trying to make these body posts fit, and they would not fit. And I did drill them out to fit these pins, these 1/10 scale body pins, but mans wouldn't fit. So, final, whoopsie daisies, I put this in there, switch it on, and oh no! Oh god. So yeah guys, something happened there. So I need to kind of melt this bit there, I'll point an arrow to it, and the same on the other side, because the pins just will not fit in. It is too much of a tight fit. So once I've done that, I've actually forgot what I have to do next. Oh yeah, I need to put this wheel back on, make sure the screws are tight and stuff, and then basically what I was going to do is I was going to solder my own XT60 connector so I can plug it into the battery, but it actually will not work, so I'm going to have to order some off Model Sport. Yeah boy. So I think the solder iron's warm. Let's just touch it. Yeah, it's pretty warm. So I think I'll just melt that down a little bit, like so. Bit of bodging right here. Yes lads. See if that worked. Oh, sugar, it's in the wrong spot. So whoops, I melted the wrong bit. I actually need to do that. And same on the other side. Hopefully that still goes over. Yes, it's once again tight fit. Hopefully this pin will go through. Come on, please. Why won't you work? Pin won't even go in the hole anymore. Right, will it go through this hole? Yes, it will. Oh yes, it finally goes through. Maybe if I just get some pliers, it might actually go on. No. I still need to melt it. I reckon you'll find this bike really funny, you know. When you get like the rider on top, you can put like a figurine on top, and it like jiggles around. It's really funny. Oh yes. I mean, that is going to stay on. I ain't going anywhere, fella. Right, so that's one done. Now I've got to do the other side. If I burn myself, I will be like... Helps when the soldering iron's a lot hotter. But hopefully, this pin will go in. Please, just work. Yes. Yes. Finally, I got the pin in. So both of these pins just go in. And I did want these to be tight to get on because the pins used to fly out all the time for me. And I didn't even jump it. Oh, you can get these on by hand. Okay, that's pretty good. So guys, as you can see there, got the pins in, 1/10 scale pins. First mod, I guess. Well, first mod is actually the brushless system. Next thing, put the wheel on. Oh, nearly forgot. Need to unplug soldering iron like. Let's see if I can remember how to put this back together. So with this front wheel, it's actually pretty funky. So you need to hold the other side with one on key and then screw the other side to really tighten it down. I do remember this coming off one time on me. So I'm just going to tighten it down as hard as I can. Make sure the wheel spins relatively easily, which it does. It does actually come with a stand, but I accidentally threw it away. But it can just flip upside down like a normal bike, and it just stands, which is pretty good. And what do we do next? Oh yeah, we need to glue the back tyre. So I got that little glue top thing, I don't know what they are actually. And if it would just press fit it on top. Don't want to get glue all over my hands. That wouldn't be good, would it? I mean, these tyres are hard to glue. So we got that tyre glued on both sides. It's probably not done properly, mainly because it's really hard to actually glue that on. So, once again, we need to plug the soldering iron back in so I can melt this plastic that's under my toolbox. I want to put kind of some protection on under that battery case because I don't want the Lipo getting punctured. But no, I don't actually need the soldering iron. I can just cut it out with scissors like a normal person. Right guys, so we cut this bit out, try and make it as big as possible. Ah! Just cut that. Oh, it's hard to cut out. I think this will definitely protect it. Pretty good plastic. I think this will definitely work. Just, is the size right? If you look at this, it covers pretty much the whole thing. And I can just hot glue the little holes, it's just the big holes that I need to do. If we put the hot glue gun on, get it warmed up. Will that fit in there now? No, it's way too big. It's getting there. God, it needs a little bit trimming off. Well, there you go. So that's pretty good actually. Hopefully I can just hot glue that on and it should be all fine and dandy. So I'm just going to hot glue this in. Just glue down the side. Try fill these holes up. Don't think it'll work, I think it's just going straight through. It is. Try cut another little piece out. Maybe I can fill those gaps. Right, I cut another little piece out. So let's see if a battery still fits. So put this battery in, close it. I mean, it's a tight fit, but that's what we want. So yeah, I think that's a success with that. So guys, the bike is pretty much completed. As you can see, I put the zip tie there to hold that battery down. I'm hoping that this wheel won't touch the connector, which it probably will, but I don't see it being a problem really. Got those clips on, you can do them by hand. I've glued the wheels, fitted the ESC, I've glued that battery tray on. Now all I need to do is get a power source so I can charge the batteries, and it should be good to go. So I hope you like this video. This bike is going to be so funny to watch. I cannot wait to send it to some skate parks. This is going to be, I'm trying to make it the world's fastest RC bike. So hopefully we can do it. I mean, we've got a forest power system, so we should be able to. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to be able to get revenue on videos so I can do more reviews and stuff, because that is what I want to do. And also I get more good equipment. Speaking of equipment, I've just ordered 2 softbox lights, so that should be good. And we'll put one there and put one there, so that's gonna be all good. So yeah, if you like the video, like it, subscribe, comment below. See you later.